So before installing WDS, let us do some verifications. First, we'll verify whether this server is in the domain or not. So how will you verify it? You will go to this PC, right click, properties. Then you will go to this advanced system settings. Under this advanced system settings, you will go to computer name and you will see this server is the part of domain and actually this is the domain control. So it is the part of domain. And let us verify whether this server is having the static IP address or not. So we'll go to ncpa.cpl. Then we'll go to the adapter. We'll go to properties. Then we'll go to IP version 4 and you can see we have configured the IP address manually here. This is the static IP address. This is not the DHCP IP address. Now let us verify how many services are installed on the server. So we required 4 services. We'll open the server manager. And if you see, it is having Active Directory, it is having DHCP, and it is having DNS service. So in DHCP, scope should be configured. Let us verify scope is configured or not. We'll go to tools. Under tools, we'll go to DHCP. Under DHCP, we'll go to IP version 4 and the scope is configured, which means you will provide the range, default gateway, subnet mask, everything is there. So scope is already there. If the scope is not configured, you need to configure the scope as well. And DNS is also there. In DNS, okay, let us go to DNS. Then we'll go to forward lookup zone and it should have Active Directory integrated primary. If you double click on this Active Directory integrated primary type, you will get all the what do you say, all the entries are available here. If it is not there, you know how to create it. We have already discussed about it. But then here, if you see, we are having 3 services. WDS is missing and we need to install WDS.